But no, one thing I did want to bring up today, the benefits of lane filtering, not lane splitting. Baby steps to lane splitting. The only way to get lane splitting legalized is to legalize lane filtering first. Make car drivers aware that bikers are looking to take steps towards lane splitting / filtering. So hold on a minute, what are the benefits of lane filtering? Well, you know what, I'm glad you asked. Recently a study has been shown, well, a bunch of studies have shown that lane filtering minimizes motorcycle fatalities, because getting rear-ended at a light is super high. The risk is really high. And living in a place like Calgary, where a lot of people are on their phones, even though it's illegal to be on their phones here, people will obviously still do it anyways. But the main thing is making sure motorcyclists are safe on the road. Number one priority, safety. Okay, check. So how do we do that? Well, I'll give you an example. And the reason why filtering is ultimately safer is because the cars are stationary. They're not moving. If the cars are side by side, the cars have no reason to move from lane to lane, and also they can't move from lane to lane. With all of that being said, why is it illegal? Why is it viewed as dangerous when it is a lot safer? Those are questions that I'm sure many motorcycle riders that do lane filter have been asking for many years. It's been legal in California for the past 2-3 years or something like that. Motorcycle fatalities in California have decreased drastically. But that was the topic for today. Why is lane filtering viewed as bad? Why is it viewed as wrong? Why is it viewed as unsafe? What do you guys think? You know what? I really want to know what you guys think. Is it legal? Is it legal where you guys are from? Or is it illegal? Let me know. I want to know what you guys think about it. See right here, literally, you could be chilling at a light right here, obviously in gear, ready, watching behind you, but worrying that someone's going to come up and rear end you. Do you want to live life in fear?